Hello everyone. You may have the 12 volt low voltage garden lights that is stopped working after some time. And I know these are pretty expensive. You have to replace it is at least 35 to $40 to replace it. So I found a way how to reuse this lights. So I got these 12 volt bulbs from AliExpress. It's a 12 volt AC/DC bulb, so it can be used in directly with your transformers because it can support AC voltage. So what I did is I'm just going to quickly show. Uh, what I did is I opened it. I drilled a couple of holes in it. Then I soldered the bulb with a wire, right? And I used the sleeve to insulate it. And I'm gonna replace it in the capsule that we have. So these bulbs are very cheap, $1 each, $1 or $2, based on the quality and quantity that you order from AliExpress, and you should be good to go. Thanks, guys.